So here I'm going to install MySQL 5.6 on Oracle Linux 6. Let's check the Linux version. Here my Linux version is Red Hat Enterprise Server 6.10, and we are going to install MySQL 5.6. So first of all, I have already written the step-by-steps how to install MySQL RPM installation on Linux 6 on my blogs bbatables.in. So also you can visit bbatables.in for step-by-step installation of MySQL 5.6 on Oracle Red Hat Linux 6.10. So you require to download the RPM from the MySQL official site. Here you can find the MySQL RPM packages. You have to select RPM Red Hat Linux Oracle Linux, and then after you need to select RPM Oracle 632-bit or 64-bit. Here I am using 64-bit, so click on 64 bits and then download RPM bundle package. This package I already downloaded and transferred to my server. Let's check. So this is my RPM bundle. First, this is the tar file, so we need to extract using tar-xvf. Let's some font, increase the font size. So first you need to extract the tar file. This will extract some RPM files you need to install. Basically for MySQL installation, you basically require only two RPM files, MySQL client and MySQL server. Basically most important files. But here I'm going to install all the RPM files. So step by step RPM to install RPM file, use command rpm-ivh, then RPM package name. So my first package is installed, same second, third package, it will take some time. Select next one. So this file is going to install MySQL database server on our Oracle Linux 6 server. So this package will create MySQL database server. rpm-ivh, then server file RPM name, paste. Same step I had written in my blog called bbatables.in. So same, first of all extract the tar file. This will extract some files. Then one by one, you can also use yum install command. If you have internet connected, then you can directly install using yum install. You no need to download the tar file. You can directly install using yum install. Okay, yum install RPM. You can directly install the RPM files. Now let's back our screen. Okay, so this is our server, MySQL server 5.6.rpm file. This file is going. So our MySQL database is installed. Now check the log files. What it says a random password had set in MySQL root user. The random password you can find in root.mysql secret file. You can check using cat. So this is your password created on 18th July 1:35 p.m. This is our root user password. And what he says, additionally, you can run MySQL secure installation. But before that, we need to start our MySQL server. For starting MySQL server, command is service MySQL start. So our MySQL server is ready for the use. You can see the success. You can check the process by using ps-ef grep MySQL. This will show you our database is running. What is the default data directory path is? Data directory path is var lib MySQL. Whatever database or tables you have created, will store in this path. The PID file, then data directory files. So now let's run the secure installation command, user bin MySQL secure installation. This will reset your MySQL default password. Your current root user password that already we had find in etc root secret file. So this is our password. You can paste. Okay, so then it asks change the root password. Press yes. Enter the new password. Remove anonymous user. Actually, by default, MySQL database creates some anonymous users. If you want to remove, then press yes. Disallow root login remotely. If you don't allow remote login to root user, then press yes. Otherwise, press no. Here I am pressing no because I want to log in remotely root user. Remove test database. The MySQL, during the MySQL database installation, it will create some test databases. If you want to keep it up, then press no. Otherwise, if you want to remove it, then press Y. So here I'm press no. Reload privileges, yes. Reload privileges, yes. Now my MySQL is running. Let's check by logging in MySQL database. So how to log in MySQL database? MySQL -u root -t and password is okay. Now create one database. Create database test db. Sorry, create database test db. Use test db. Create table test1 no int. I'm going to create one test table to show you the IBDA and FRM file in default file location. Insert some data. So my table is created. So now let's check the data directory path. What is our data directory path? Default in RPM method, the default directory path is, you can check from here, grep MySQL. So data directory path var lib MySQL. So go to that path. Okay, now here our test DB is folder is created. CD test. This is our test table created. Test1.frm. This contain the SQL file and this contain the data file. So thank you. This is how to install MySQL using RPM. Or also you can visit dbtables.in for how to install MySQL RPM installation on Linux 6. Thank you.